Hi there, it's Chris Figures from Ambient Activity here to provide a quick instructional video on how to open the Abbey system. As a quick disclaimer before starting, we're constantly upgrading and implementing sensitive and meaningful changes to our systems, so your unit may not exactly resemble what's shown here in this video. But the disassembly shown in this video is the same throughout all of our Abbey systems. Step 1. To avoid the risk of electrical shock, let's first turn off the unit. The off-on switch resides on the bottom of the Abbey. Step 2. Remove 2 bolts. The only tool you'll need here is a 5mm Allen key, and this will be included in your hardware kit that comes with Abbey. There are 2 50mm bolts located at the top right and the top left of the Abbey. Let's start with the top right bolt. Once you remove the bolts, put them in a safe place for now, as you'll need them to close Abbey back up. And now, let's remove the top left bolt. Being mindful to hold the front panel so that it doesn't fall open and jar the components inside. Carefully open the Abbey, holding the top of the panel and slowly tilting it from the top towards you. Don't worry, there are a few support cables to stop it from falling all the way down. Notice the screw buttons holding the support cables as an added safety measure. In the next step, we'll be detaching the support cables from the screw buttons so we can open Abbey all the way down and access the computer. This next part is a little tricky depending on what side you're detaching first. In this case, I'll start with the left-hand side. I'm going to use my right hand and I'm going to follow the cable down to the screw button and detach it. You may need to close the front panel on your arm just to loosen the cord a bit to help with this step. Now, let's detach the other side. Remember, we'll have to be careful. Like before, we don't want the front panel dropping quickly. So keep a hand, or if you have someone there that can help you while you detach, that would help as well. Now we can gently lower the front panel as it's on hinges, and as far as it will stop when the support cables are fully extended. If you have any questions or require further support, please email us at support@ambientactivity.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-563-7740. Thanks, and have a great day.